Not just a businesswoman, but also a friend. Everyone meet Kate Spade.
She left the world quite early when she passed back in 2018, but her legacy certainly lives on. Her story in the fashion world started when she decided that she wanted to make her own bags because ideally and admittedly, she told in an interview with the Boston Globe in 1999 that she never fancied the all the more too serious bags that she sees on stores she visited. 6 years earlier, before the interview with Boston Globe, Kate Spade founded her very own shop dedicated to handbags to which she personally designed. That was in 1993. Together with her husband, Andy Spade, they founded the handbag store by her married name. She was born as Catherine Noel Valentine Brosnahan, and yep, that's why she settled with Spade. She also designed clothing, shoes, fragrances, dinnerware, and so much more. By the end of the millennium, her products were being sold in over 450 stores all over the world. Individuality and charm. These are also what defines her design, as she was always known among people who knew her as the friendly person.